let's talk about success, right? Let's talk about success. Yeah, let's talk about how to think like a successful coach, okay? I love this because there are some unique traits to a successful coach. They are doing some things that we're not doing, and maybe we could just do a little better. But hey, my name is Alease Michelle, and I am a marketing coach for coaches, and I help coaches just like you market their coaching business the simplest way possible. And part of my simple method is implementing more things that successful coaches do. Now, if you guys have never heard me talk about success, I believe that success has so many different definitions, and what you deem as successful. It's not always about money, but if money is one of your goals and then having a certain amount of money deems you to be successful, then great. But some of us, success means just living the life that we really want to live, and the money will come. Part of that is not a whole lot of money, but able not to do certain things. As you can clearly see, I have a little bit more passion about, it's not about the money, but I know money makes things happen, but it's about the lifestyle. There's a particular lifestyle that I always wanted to live, and I strive every single day to move closer and closer and closer to that exact lifestyle. I'm getting close, but I'm not exactly there, right? And I do know part of that is implementing and thinking in a more successful way. So today I want to share with you 5 ways to think more like a successful coach. Okay. All right. So let's go into the first one. And I love the first one because this one sometimes people miss. They don't even really talk about, but it is clearly the essential way to think more like a successful coach. And that is to focus on your unique abilities, your unique personalities, your unique connections. And what do I mean by that? We all know that we probably want to be like other people. We like the way they do certain things, right? But we realize that when we're not working in our unique greatness, that's basically what I'm trying to say. It is just really difficult. And I know that there's a saying out there that you should concentrate on your weakness and then not focus so much on your strength. Well, that's totally not a good idea, because if you're concentrating on your weakness, then you're not going to get stronger with your strength. So focusing on your uniqueness is really key with what are you good at. And if you're not good at certain things, hire that out or delete those things. Successful people focus on what they're good at. What I'm good at is teaching people. That has always been my gift. I didn't know it, but I figured out that that was my gift. And I can go in a classroom and take some subject that is boring or very hard and break it down to its simplest form. I am working in my unique strength right now, and that is what makes me successful at my level and what is going to make you successful. So you want to determine what is your unique gift, your uniqueness and your strengths, and work in that area. Okay, all that weakness stuff, girl, go hire somebody else to do that stuff, or just delete it altogether. Work in your gift. That's where you're going to be the most successful at. Okay, number 2 is constantly solve problems. Okay, you always should be solving problems anyway. One of the sayings I used to write on the board before I start class is that I would tell my students that I want you to be a problem solver and not a problem. Okay, problem solvers get results. Problem solvers get money. Problem solvers get clients. They are a problem solving person, right? They seek out the problem and they give solutions. Now, there's this quote, I think I just shared it in my stories, about if you come to me, right, and you get on the phone with me, it's like, girl, da-da-da-da-da-da-da, I'm going to give you solutions to whatever your problem is. But if you're kind of person who continues just to want to talk about the problem, then I'm not that kind of person. I am a solution-based person. You give me a problem, I'm going to give you several solutions. That's just how I work with anything going on in my life. I am a problem solver. So the closer you can become, not even close, but you are a problem solver right now. If you are a coach, you are trying to solve other people's problems. Just keep that focus in front of mind, that is more that you are solving others' problems, the closer you're going to get to the success level that you have set for yourself. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3 is to protect your energy. Oh my gosh. Yes, protect your energy. Everyone does not have your best interest in heart, right? And even if they do have your best interest in heart, you sometimes need to know what your boundaries are, right? Setting boundaries around certain things so that you can be your best self. Now, one of those boundaries that I set for myself is that at the end of the day, I tend to shut down around about 6 or 7 o'clock, right? No matter what is going on, if I've had a really long day or deadlines or whatever, I tend to shut down at 7 o'clock. And at 7 o'clock, I spend time with my husband. I cook, I relax, and I decompress. There is no, and I don't talk on the phone. I don't do any of that thing. There is no negotiation around that, right? My friends would tell you, they'll try to call me at 7:30. I don't answer a phone call, right? And I don't, definitely, y'all know that other thing, like people who show up without it being announced. I don't even answer the door. You need to call to let me know you're coming, because I've set boundaries around myself to know that I don't know how to put the word. Like, I require a lot of downtime, right? Just mentally downtime, because I can get really overwhelmed really fast. So, but I know that because I've set boundaries for myself. When I was working in the university, we would only work 4 days a week, Monday through Thursday, and we would have Fridays off. And a lot of people would try to make me run their errands on Fridays because they weren't off on Fridays. And literally some people would get mad at me. I was like, girl, let me just tell you this. I'm off Fridays and I'm going to spend Friday however I want to spend it, doing nothing, sleeping all day, whatever. So protecting your energy is essential to success, because if you're allowing other people's negativity enter your boundaries, then you're going to take on those same negativity energies and you're not going to get any further in your business, right? Because you're trying to just, I don't even know how to put the words to it, but bad energy just slows you down. Basically, it just makes you heavy. So protect your energy, protect your boundaries, and only share ideas with people who are on the same level as you or above you, who can really stimulate those ideas in you and push you further. Hanging around people who are just downers, that doubt you, don't think that you are either worthy or doing what you're doing, we need to cut them off, because they will ruin the energy that you have. Positive energy, moving forward energy, impactful energy is going to get you closer to think and being more successful at your level. Y'all hear I keep saying at your level, because my success level and your success level is going to be different. I'm not going to give you a dollar number to say that you need to be at this number to say that you're successful. Your success level is all up to you. Okay. All right. And then number 4 is to practice persistence. As a coach, as a person who's starting a business online, there are going to be some ups and downs, right? You're going to launch a program and it probably won't get any clients at all, right? But you have to persist through those things. Those failures are learning lessons for you to know what to do next, what to cut out, what to continue to do. So persist. I did not start to see results in my business probably into 2 years into running my coaching business. Okay. I saw some money coming in at 2 years, but it still wasn't enough for me to convince myself to quit my full-time job and to actually run this as a full-time, my coaching business as a full-time thing. I had to continue to persist and persist to start to see results. Say, yes, girl, that you can do this. Yes, you have to put these things in place. Yes, you have to work hard on certain things, right? Everything is not going to come easy to you. You just got to continue to work hard, but still work in your unique ability, in your greatness, right? I had to take my love for teaching and apply it to this online arena, right? Which is it was totally different, but I persisted through it. I wasn't really good on video, but I knew that if I was going to teach what I love and make an impact and serve people, then I had to get a lot more comfortable on video. And to be honest with you guys, I still get nervous by doing videos every single time, but you know what? I persist through it. That is how a successful coach does it. They persist through it, serving, making an impact, and teaching and doing the things that they know that brings them the most joy. Okay. Last but not least is number 5, and to fully commit to your purpose. And that basically sums up everything. If you're working in your uniqueness, you are being persistent, if you're protecting your energy and all the other things, then you're going to be working in your purpose, because we're not doing this just in vain, right? We're doing this because we have a love for it. It's something that we want to do. And the more that you stick with these principles of being successful, the closer you're going to get to your success level, right? So guys, I wanted to share that with you because I know sometimes we might be down on ourselves. Sometimes we want to not think that we're not good enough, that we're not doing enough. And we just have to remind ourselves that those simple principles of how to think like a successful person, it's going to help us reach the goals that we're set for ourselves. It's not hard. We do make it hard because we're probably our biggest critics. But if you keep those simple principles in front and centered to remind you, if I stick with these things, I am going to be successful. If I start to think this way, if I persist, I protect my energy, I stay in my unique greatness. What's the other one? What was the other one? If I protect my energy, if I continue to solve problems, then I have no reason not to be successful. All right. So I just want to let you know, guys, if you get stuck, if you are missing that piece to your coaching business, I want to let you know that I'm here for you. I'm here to help you get through that hump. That is the reason why I started the Coaching Business Simplified, because I want to make starting your coaching business easy and simple for you. All right. So thank you for listening to me. I'll talk to you guys later. Have an awesome and blessed day. Talk to you later.